I'm Brice. I'm here with Robert Pafundi, entertainment attorney and author of his new book, Safe Stardom.
Hi, Brice. In fact, let me just tell you a little bit more about that. The subtitle of the book more or less explains what the book is all about. And the subtitle of the book is How to Protect Your Children on Their Road to Fame.
Thank you, Robert. But I actually wanted to know, what does an entertainment attorney do?
Well, that's a great question. There's different types of entertainment attorneys in the first place. So let me kind of summarize the different types of entertainment lawyers and then tell you about what each one of them does. There's one type of entertainment lawyer that's called a transactional attorney. Transactional attorneys review contracts, write contracts, negotiate deals for things like series regular roles on TV, major motion picture roles, and maybe even in terms of a commercial for, let's say, a campaign. Then there's another type of attorney called a litigation attorney. And litigation attorneys help people either avoid disputes, and then if a dispute has already started, maybe resolve that dispute informally as possible. And then if the dispute is really heated up, go to court or go to the labor commissioner or go to arbitration and resolve the dispute with the judicial officers, like in other words, the judge or the jury or the labor commissioner. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
Great, great.
Thank you, Robert.
So, that kind of leads me to why I actually wrote the book, if that's something you want to talk about.
Yeah, I actually want to know a little more.
Okay. So the book actually was triggered by a lawsuit and a case. And the case involved a minor on a TV show called Malcolm in the Middle. You ever hear of that show?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I represented one of the kids on that television show. His name was Craig Traylor. He was depicted as the boy in the wheelchair. Do you remember him?
Yes.
Okay. Funny kid? Okay. Well, Craig had a dispute with his talent manager. And they got into a real heated dispute, and it actually went into litigation. It became a real problem. So he was represented for a little bit of time, and then I took over the case, and I took the case to the Court of Appeals. And we won the case in the Court of Appeals, and the successful result on behalf of the child actor triggered what's called a precedent-setting case. And that means a case that's in the law books forever. And it more or less defined exactly how the law works with respect to talent, children, actors, and actresses,
Definitely.
and their agents and managers and representatives. And the Court of Appeals gave us a lot of guidance on all the issues that relate to that. And that triggered me to write this book. So the book is far more than about that, of course. There's 40 chapters in this book, and it covers 40 different topics. Things like the difference between talent agents and talent managers. The things like the difference between SAG and the ATA, the Association of Talent Agents. Things like how money is made in the industry and how much money is made. Things like how to resolve disputes. One of the most important things in the book is what makes children in the entertainment business different from adult actors. So we go through all of those kind of things in the book.
That sounds great. Can't wait to read it.
Okay, we'll go for it.